Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take trades with candlestick psychology and price action. Hope you guys learned something new. I'm gonna unpack some new stuff, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm taking this. The reason for this is I saw that this was a double bottom, right? And I saw a 3 bar up. This type of 3 bar up is medium rare. Medium, it's not very strong, it's medium. So this candle might be red, but the next candle will be green for sure. I know that based off candlestick psychology. I know this was going to be red. The next candle will be green for sure, right? And I'm seeing a continuation sign here. We all know that whenever we see dojis are a sign of continuation. So if you're in a trend and you see a doji and your next candle is about to close, you can be confident that the price will continue in your direction because dojis are continuation signs. Okay, all right, beautiful. See that, guys? Magnificent. Let's find our next trade. Okay, taking this for two trades right here. As you guys see, we're at a support area, and the next level the price will be before reversing will be right here. Okay, let me see if it touches the supply. Not really. So I'm expecting the sellers to continue down, even though I'm seeing this red candle. This red candle is only fluffing, right? Because it needs to come and consume the supply very properly before going higher. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay, so that was a draw per se. Okay, I saw that the price was in this QM area here, guys. As you can see, the price came up to this QM area. We had a ABC here, so the combination of QM and ABC is very nice because we know that whenever we see the both of them in one, the level becomes even stronger. Okay, and I can see that this ABC was broken. Usually sellers might get a little angrier, but that's not what I'm hoping for. I know that this will be a red candle because our entry is at above the ABC, which is so crucial, right? Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here. If this candle closes very nicely, I can predict that yes, I'm gonna win this trade for sure. I'm gonna win this for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right. It's because of the gap why this moves like this. But let's find our next trade. Oh, damn. I saw that the price was coming. I saw that the price is coming from a supply area. Okay. And we had a beautiful engulfing candle, right? And there is no level to stop us, right? So I think the price might play around here because there is a additional level here. Based on how this candle close, I might take a trade going in the buying direction. Let's see. Yeah, this level is a little bit weird, but it's okay. Let's see what's gonna happen. If it's gonna close green. If it closes green, I'm gonna take a next trade. Okay, beautiful. All right, nice. I'm just gonna take this for one trades, but this is okay though. The price will go higher. Based on my analysis, I have seen this place over in my eyes many times, guys. Yes, If you're interested in mentorship, guys, you can contact me on Telegram, right? I have a 20% discount going on right now for 24 hours, right? It's $100 off, right, guys? So you can text me on Telegram to get your discount. Anyway, let's get back to the trade. Yes, as you can see, you realize this is a very strong signal candle here, right? Because when spinning candles closes on a level, it's very good. You see that? Beautiful. Let's find our next trade. Right. We are coming from a support area, right? And we are the ABC. So this is support combined with ABC, which is very good because we now know that we are going with the trend. Remember, guys, ABC is how we identify rally based rally. In other words, is how we identify the trend. Okay. So we know that we're in the right direction and we are coming from a support area also, which is very strong. Okay. Our 3-bar up pattern looks very juicy also. It closes very nicely, very nicely. And we grab all the liquidity from here. You see that? All the liquidity was grabbed from here. And the price just float in the direction of the buyers. That's how you predict the market, by understanding the strength of the market. Let's find our next trade. Right, I saw this trade here, but it's kind of stupid. But let's show you guys what's happening, right? If you pay attention here, we have a trend line. Okay, I'm drawing it from the week because the body is blocking me right here, but it doesn't matter. I just want to find the first touch and the second touch. That's what matters. And I saw that the price came and closed on it, and it gave me a signal candle, which is very cute. But what let me take this trade really and truly, I saw this level here. Okay, so this was so nice. It's a beautiful combination, right? I saw the both of them and I took this trade. This is so magnificent. This is a sure shot. I don't know why I took this with $500. I don't know. Let's move on to the next trade. Okay, this supply is pretty strong right here. Let me show you guys. So I'm going double trade on this one. Yeah, the supply is pretty strong. I saw that there was a candle close inside and then rejected back. But the thing about this trade is that I'm kind of going against the momentum here, which is not very wise, But now I saw this rejection from this candle. I know that sellers has entered the market. Okay. Plus we are in the overall downtrend though, so that's very good. I think that's the only good thing about this trade. We're in the direction of the market. Beautiful. Yeah, this trade was pretty risky. I'm not gonna lie. I knew, but I took it anyway because I wanted to finish my session early today. Okay, I was late for this party. Let me double this because I now realize it's 76%. I don't really like to trade them, but I don't really watch the money that much because, I mean, if I win it, it's gonna be $700, so it's okay, right? Yeah. The reason why I took this when it reverses, it's because I saw that this is a red-green pattern, so I knew that this candle will be red. Okay. So because I knew that I didn't want to enter here, I waited for it to come all the way down, right? Reverses, then I took it. But now I see this gap down. I know that the red candle will not pass this area, right? But the main reason for taking this trade, I saw that we were at a support area. The price came and closes on the support area.